Howdy folks, John here, posting a very short update video today for those of you who have been inquiring how I made out with the Boxster deer hit damage that happened a few months ago now. Well, as you can see, I just drove it home 200 kilometers back from Apex Auto Body in Hinton after its 4-week stay there, and I really could not be happier at how well the repairs came out. Now I'm just washing all the bug guts off of it first, so they don't get in the way of the inspection. Before having a close-up look at the repaired, thought we better go back in time just as a refresher if you missed that first video to see what was damaged. The deer hit the left front fender. That's where the majority of the impact energy was, and it dented the fender really badly and buckled it. It cracked the electronic headlight lens, and the electronic headlight housing itself was cracked. You can see some deer hair wedged in there as well. The front bumper was cracked in a few little places. Again, you can see some deer hair, and the hood was badly dented and damaged. Front lip folded down and multiple dents all over the hood. The hood was actually replaced. The fender was repaired and saved. And the bumper was also repaired and saved. You can see here's some shots of it at Apex Auto Body. Just want to thank Jason and his team there. They have just done fantastic work on this thing. You know, there was lots of delays, several parts delays. There was the big forest fire in Jasper. It was just horrible driving through there, seeing the damage. And the highway was shut down for a month because of that. So lots of delays, but they got it all taken care of, and they handled all the insurance nonsense. I was getting pretty frustrated with that aspect of it, but once Apex took over the process, I didn't even have to talk to the insurance company again. They handle it all. So can't recommend them enough. Not affiliated with them, just want to reward good service. Let's have a look at their excellent workmanship. Starting at the left fender, let's quickly look at the paint match. I certainly can't tell any color difference. I would imagine that ocean blue metallic isn't the easiest color to match, but they did just a fantastic job. And even the clear coat finish, you know, the amount of orange peel from the factory, I don't know if this is even going to show up, but basically the same type of finish on the new compared to the original paint. So really impressed there. I know fitting these headlights is a bear of a monster, getting everything lined up, and they just did a fantastic job there. Bumper, seam lines and everything, very good. Same with the light. The new hood, of course. And even the headlights, I was a little worried that the original right one wouldn't match, but they're not too bad. It's a little bit foggy. I might have to clean that out in the winter here. But nicely sprayed. Again, paint finish on this side. Color match, everything looks great. So thus ends the Deer versus Boxster chapter. Certainly one I'm glad to put behind me. Thanks for watching, folks, and we'll see you in the next one.